Alright now, fun food factory food. Why? Fun food factory food. What? Fun food factory food. Yo, Yo, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah man, fun food factory. Hey, me no wanna miss me, you know. Alright. So today me I talk about mama homemade remedy. I already say mama, we mean mother. Because in Jamaica, you know, we call mommy mama. You understand? Yeah man. Before I go any further in this video, for who don't understand our Jamaican dialect, which is the patois, I am gonna list everything underneath below the description, yes, and I'm gonna name the remedy and what it is good for in details. So don't worry, because the one you know, so this channel we do it authentic, we do it raw, we do it fun food factory food. Why? So when you're there in your yard, you know, you have to help yourself, because sometimes, you know, 12:30 in the night, that hour of morning, then you pick the get up the ball if you want belly ache. Instead of you get up run to hospital, you want to help yourself. First time for me mother and no money for carry go to hospital. So you have the homemade remedy for your sit liquid one piece of bone lick your come boy! Let me beat this so it's on warm water, you understand? So me have some homemade remedy, and guess what? Me carry the tradition with me up to today. Because sometimes you gotta can help yourself. Instead of you run down on doctor hospital, try help yourself now. Sure. Protect your health. Protect your health. Yo! Alright, watch me now. So the first thing, people come, go play in the water, they come in, and and you understand me, one bad cold run to your nose and head. You see your mother grab one little rum buckle, remark, overproof, Ray and nephew, but guess what you know it? Honey and garlic. What me say you know it? Garlic's crushed with honey. This are they done, you know, yeah. But me just have to show you, so honey and garlic. I see throat, some in one spoon, and he say, honey your mouth, boy. And you hold your mouth and you swallow it, dump it out the night, you know, me then watch you. And you rub your throat. And make sure say good on. Yes, man. So that is it for milk and honey. And milk and honey, it cuts the cold. You understand? But not that alone. Milk and honey, if you tell you real truth, and nowadays remedy for cold. Me go show you what my mother will really use for cold. So sometimes you have cold in your belly bottom, you know, man. You get up in the night, your belly you gripe, you know, mama. Sure. And when your belly start gripe, you know, you see your mother run and make look at tea quick, you know, and shook down piece of tea bush in your pot, you know, and say, come, me go drop 3 drop of this in your, and me say, if you're asking nothing more tonight, something definitely wrong with you. This is called Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is normally an oil they use on baby pillows. They just put it on their finger and rub it below a baby, because you know say most time babies normally travel with colds. You see this oil, you know, normal. It can use for adults as well. So what they do with the adults, they make some tea, any tea, and you drop 3 drops. With my mother normally have, you know, the drop bottles, the bottles with the something on the top where you can squeeze and get drops. Yes, and in drop 3 drops in there, me I tell you, any cold where your belly bottom are in a head, if you give you that for 3 days, 3 drop in the morning, 9 night before you go to your bed, me can tell you, every cold have left your belly bottom. You hear me? Oh, you know how me preach. Chop. Alright. Next, on the IT and non-IT and fancy can show this. Alright. Sometimes, you know, we don't know what do we, but you have some serious gripe in a belly bottom. But this one here, then give you eucalyptus oil and, you know, walk. That means I know cool, you know. That means it's either something happened with your colon, something happening down in your intestine, down your son. I don't know, but as long as your belly they hurt you and they hurt you real bad, this is what my mother normally put 3 drops in our tea. And trust me, any belly cramp with this can't tap, you need to fly go by hospital with one helicopter, because this move any pain from your belly bottom. It's called turpentine. Yes, surprisingly people use it when they are, when they are varnishing wood, when they are like when they in the what they call it, galvanized wood, when them this act as a insect repellent. So me think sometimes the worm them in your belly, the Congo worm them are wind up in your belly, you know. Yeah man. So 3 drops of turpentine, and remember all of this can get over your counter at your nearest pharmacy. Like they are cheap as dust. Yes, so turpentine, belly griping. When your belly hurting you, 3 drops in any of your tea, drink it, wait pan it, you work pan the Congo wongo way in there, and yes, my brother, you're gone again. Alright. This, my friend, is called steel drop. In Jamaica, I realized that if the pharmacy is not old-fashioned, most pharmacy does not have it. It actually tastes like blood. It's called steel drop. This is for inflammation in the body. Inflammation in the knee, the head. One time I was at a school, Nakalva Agriculture School, and there was a great house. I walk and I hit my head on one of the concrete. Yes. And one big cocoa come up in our ear, you know, like boink, boink. I'm ready to reap, my friend. Could you cook me? You understand? One big something swell up in my head. And when me go to country and me see grandpa say, boy, you idiot. You come like me train you for not at all. Go inside and get the steel drop for me. And grandpa make me some tea and drop 3 drops of steel drop. And grandpa give me it for 1 week, and the cocoa way in my head. Me no want to take off my thumb. But the cocoa is not there right anymore. Yeah, there is no swelling. So for inflammation in the body, this remove it. 3 drops in your tea, and you continue until the inflammation is removed, because you cannot overdose unless you drink it all at once. But this is very good to put inside your body. Alright, the next one is peppermint. Peppermint is when you're having nausea, what they call it, nausea. When you're feeling like bilious, yeah, that's what they normally call it. Yeah, my mother, you're bilious boy. That is when you're eating a lot of sweet stuff, and you have a built up like a upset stomach. Yeah, they say you are bilious. So this is for when you're feeling bad, when you have gas. Yes, when you have gas and cramps all about in your back, belly, wherever, cramps, gas cramps, they give you 3 drops of peppermint in your tea. Yes, and now we have the plant also. Yeah, the peppermint, it's outside. Yeah, I have it planted there in my garden. So for gas, ta-da, peppermint, Superman to serve you, ta-da! Yeah, all right. Here we have Epsom salt. Epsom salt, and when we get some terrible liquor ball ground, you know, we knee, we joint, and we feel one pain, and then bathe with Epsom salt, and then they rub it with a little bit of hot ice. And you feel here I get cold and warm. Yeah, hot and cold. Yes. But Epsom salt is also one of the known Jamaican washout. They normally sell it at pharmacy. I realize they stopped making the pill. It's called it's called Epsom Salt, one little pot, not the big pot like this, with 3 Indian root pill and maju bitter. The maju bitter is a plant where you get 3 seeds, but it's very bitter. Also, the Epsom Salt can be drunk. What it does, it cleanses. It's a detoxing agent. Yeah, but you have to be careful. You don't do too much. Like this, I think it's like 2 teaspoons, not tablespoon, you know. Me ain't tell you no tablespoon, you know. Then when you go drink your shit out, you try it. You go say a knowledge. You go say, a fun food factory tell you, well, look a laugh night, you won't die. But you might shit you try, it might come out and they have in a play yo. You understand? Be for yourself. Yeah, man, so it's good for wash out and also to bathe the body when it has pain or a hit. Yeah, man. Bathe your body and rub down the part, the massage your part there. Yeah, man. So these are my home remedy, and I'm gonna call their name once more. When mama normally have a yard, because mama not have no money to carry nobody a doctor for cold. We said garlic and honey. For inflammation, steel drop. You buy at the pharmacy, over the counter, cheap as dust. For cold in the head and in the tummy, Eucalyptus oil. For cramps in the belly, harsh cramps, Turpentine. And for gas pain, peppermint. And for beard areas that you massage with rubs like Radiant Bee, Ice, you bathe it in the water. They put some Epsom salt, and it's also used as a detoxing agent to wash out the body or cleanse the body. That's my video today for Fun Food Factory Food. Why? Fun Food Factory Food. Hey, Fun Food Factory Food. Yo, Fun Food. Yo, I remember mama. But my mother's still alive. Nobody sing that. In a happy way. Big up on a rat itself. Fun Food Factory Food. Why?